Are you looking for healthy breakfast options for weight loss? Welcome aboard. We're about to embark on a culinary journey exploring delicious and nutritious breakfast options that can fuel your day and support your weight loss goals. We all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but it's not just about filling our bellies. It's about choosing foods that provide sustained energy, satisfy our hunger, and supply vital nutrients. A well-balanced breakfast can set the tone for the day, keeping us alert, focused, and less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks. From protein-packed eggs and Greek yogurt, to fiber-rich oatmeal and whole-grain toast, to quick and easy smoothies, we have a plethora of options to choose from. And let's not forget about portion control, an essential aspect of weight loss. So, are you ready? Let's explore some of the best breakfast options that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. First on our list is oatmeal, a fantastic source of fiber and complex carbohydrates. It's a breakfast staple that's easy to prepare and incredibly versatile. Start with plain oats to avoid unnecessary sugars and additives. Then bring your bowl to life with a medley of toppings. Fresh berries and sliced bananas add a natural sweetness and a boost of vitamins. A sprinkle of nuts enhances the texture while providing healthy fats. And a touch of honey lends a subtle sweetness. Remember, the key to a nutritious bowl of oatmeal is choosing plain oats and adding your own wholesome toppings. Next up is Greek yogurt, packed with protein and probiotics. This high-protein food is not only delicious but also supports your digestive health. Start your day with a bowl of Greek yogurt and top it off with a colorful array of berries. Add a drizzle of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. Want to add some crunch? Sprinkle on some granola. Greek yogurt is a versatile and nutritious option that can easily be customized to suit your tastes. Let's not forget about eggs, a fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients. Whether you're a fan of scrambled, prefer an omelet, or fancy a poached egg, there's a style for everyone. And the best part, they're versatile. Pair them with a plethora of vegetables for added fiber and vitamins. Think spinach, bell peppers, or even a hearty serving of avocado. Eggs are a breakfast staple that can provide you with long-lasting energy. Whole grain toast offers a healthy dose of fiber and can be topped with a variety of nutritious options. Consider spreading some avocado for a dose of healthy fats, or perhaps almond butter for an extra protein kick. Not a fan of creamy textures? No problem. Add some sliced fruit like banana or strawberries for a burst of flavor and additional nutrients. The beauty of whole grain toast lies in its versatility. Whole grain toast is a simple yet flexible breakfast option that can keep you satiated. Smoothies can be a quick and nutritious breakfast option, especially when packed with leafy greens, fruits, and protein powder. Start with a base of spinach or kale, add a banana for sweetness and a scoop of protein powder for satiety. Almond milk provides a creamy consistency, while chia seeds or flax seeds offer fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Blend until smooth and voila, you have a refreshing, nutrient-dense breakfast in a glass. Remember, a well-balanced smoothie can be a delicious and energizing start to your day. There are many other healthy breakfast options out there like cottage cheese, quinoa, chia pudding, avocado toast, and even a handful of mixed nuts and seeds. Cottage cheese is a protein-rich choice, and when topped with fresh fruits and a sprinkle of nuts, it becomes a balanced and tasty meal. Quinoa, a nutrient-dense grain, pairs well with roasted veggies and a poached egg, offering a unique twist on breakfast. Chia pudding, made by mixing chia seeds with almond milk and a touch of sweetener, can be topped with fresh fruit for a delightful start to the day. Then there's avocado toast, a trendy yet nutritious option. Mashed avocado spread on whole grain toast with a poached egg on top provides a wholesome balance of healthy fats, proteins, and complex carbs. Additionally, a quick handful of mixed nuts and seeds paired with a piece of fruit can be a speedy, nutrient-packed breakfast. Remember, portion control and hydration are just as important as choosing healthy foods. Start your day right with a balanced, nutritious breakfast to help with your weight loss journey.